Have you ever wondered what the difference is between quality assurance and quality control? And where does testing fall in either one of these two areas? My name is Anna Andrich, and I'm the owner and founder of QA Strategy LLC. At QA Strategy, we work towards optimizing excellence for products and organizations. And today I want to bring to you what the difference is between the two, quality assurance and quality control, some of the activities that can be that can happen for either one of these, and also bring to you the difference between the two and the different activities that happen between each one of these areas. So quality assurance, what is quality assurance? It is process oriented, right? It focuses on preventing defects. So in quality assurance, right, we are going to ensure processes are designed and implemented correctly. So it is a total organizational effort, not just a one team effort. And quality assurance can happen for any organization. It doesn't only have to be a product specific organization. Some of the activities that happen within quality assurance are processes are established, standards and guidelines are developed, audits and compliance checks occur. So then what happens in quality control? Quality control is your product-oriented focus. It focuses on identifying defects. So based on those two definitions, where would testing fall? Is testing part of quality assurance or quality control? Well, if quality assurance is process oriented and quality control is product oriented, then testing would fall under quality control, because in quality control is where we want to identify and correct defects in final product or services. So what are the types of things that we're going to do in quality control? We're going to do inspections. We're going to run tests. We're going to do document reviews. Now, a lot of times when people think of testing, software testing, or quality control, they think of dynamic testing. But there's two types of testing. There's dynamic testing and there's static testing. And both of those can happen and should happen within the quality control, the product-oriented testing phases. And in future videos, I'll talk more about that. And if you want something specific, put it in the comments and I'll make sure to make a video about that. So what are the differences between quality assurance and quality control? Quality assurance is a proactive approach, right? It focuses on process improvements and everyone is responsible throughout the whole organization. Where quality control, your software testing, is a more of a reactive approach, right? You have a product that you're going to be developing, so you're going to want to come up with a testing strategy to test that product, so it's reactive, right? Quality assurance can happen whether there's a product or not. All there has to be is an organization. And an organization could be an organization as one. In quality control, the responsibility is within one team or one department or departments, like your agile environments, right? Your developers, your business analysts, your scrum masters, and your testers, all of those people would be part of quality control and a reactive approach of software testing. So is there commonality between quality assurance and quality control? And the answer is yes, right? Where quality assurance, right, is more proactive, is process oriented, right, is process improvement. You're going to conduct audits, you're going to create standard operating procedures. Where quality control is more reactive, right? You're product oriented. You're going to be doing testing, inspections, verification. You're going to be conducting automation within the QC environment. But the interaction between the two is this space right here in between, which is the goal is to release high quality products, improve processes and procedures, to gain customers' trust and loyalty, to find issues before they become major problems, right? And to reduce costs. The two need to work together. If you are doing quality control and you have a product and you are working towards discovering defects and fixing those defects, right? There should be some type of a test plan or test approach or test strategy written in order to guide you through getting to that release, right? So the test plan, test strategy, test approach would be your quality assurance function, where your implementation of those documents would be your QC function. But they both need to work together, because if you don't have a plan, then you're just going to be wandering around and you might not get the results that you really wanted. Quality assurance is proactive, focuses on process improvements. Quality control is reactive, focuses on identifying defects. Quality assurance happens throughout the development or production process, whereas quality control activities are performed after the product or service is created, which I will make another video about that, because there is, right, dynamic and static testing that would allow us to be able to start quality control much earlier in the software development life cycle. And then the responsibilities are different, right? So QA is often the responsibility of the entire team or organization, while QC is typically the responsibility of a specific team or department. So let's take, for instance, the testing, right? So someone is writing your test plan, your test strategy, your test approach. Well, that would probably be your test manager or your test lead or someone at a higher level within the organization, where your quality control would be your actual execution of whatever is in those documents, which then would be a specific team or department, your developers, your testers. They would be the ones that are executing what is in the plan. So that is the difference between quality assurance and quality control. Again, my name is Anna Andrus. I am the owner and founder of QA Strategy LLC. And I look forward to bringing many more videos to you. If there's something specific you want to know, put it down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll see you soon.